Hello and welcome. Due to the various advantages of the electrically heated steam engine over Witthaus-fired steam engines, I use the EL series from Wilesco whenever possible for demonstrations. To allow a fast heating of the steam engine, the heating coil is designed relatively strong. From the D16EL with already 250 watts up to the D32 with massive 0.9 kilowatts. Especially at slow operating, the heating coil overheats the water until the overpressure valve responds. This not only creates unsightly strains on the boiler, but you also lose steam, which leads to a lower operating time of the machine. As mentioned in the comments of my previous video, there is the possibility to regulate the voltage of the heating coil and thus also the heating power. I was able to get a hold of a used 2 kW Variac and autotransformer from a lab via an auction. The knob on the top from 0 volts to 250 volts AC. This one is an old school voltmeter which I particularly like. On the left the connections for 230 volts AC and on the right the regulator output. It came with all terminals, so I just bought an extension cord, cut it in half and screwed it onto the terminals. Attention, this model does not come with banana plug sockets. A word about the ground wire. It is connected to the case via a screw on the input and the output side. Directly connected to a bare copper wire on the rear side. I am aware that it is not correct to lay the protective conductor in this way, but I would rather do it this way than to have it free floating wire in front of the transformer. Now however, the unit in action with my D32 serial number 235 of 500 built in 2018. I choose this model because it is the only one with an electric speed indicator and I am particularly curious about to see how it performs with less than 220 volts input. By the way, here the white dot is a sensor and there is a magnet on the left flywheel. I am very happy with the performance of the transformer, it didn't even get warm. Due to the strong heating coil, I only needed the 100% power to heat up, then I always oscillate back and forth between 0 and 50%. The speed indicator shows the accurate value from about 50 volts. Before that, the needle stays at 0, which is the best case in my opinion. By the way, I tested the transformers with 4 engines, starting from the year 1955 to 2018. I also monitored the current. All heating coils seem to survive the Variac Super. So that's it for today from me. From the operation of the steam engine there is also a bonus video without my rambling, as I will upload soon. The next time will be again a new machine from my collection. I also have an interesting building project that I would like to share with you. Thanks for the interest in my videos and hopefully to see you next time. Bye and all the best.